Guys, guess what's here? You do not know how long I have waited for this. Lily, be quiet. Let's cut her open. No. Cut this bitch open. It smells weird. It smells clean. Oh, it's a little man with some stickers. I'm so excited. You don't know how long I've waited for this. Oh, there's like little scripture candies. Those are so cute. Because I'm like that. What is this? Oh! It's my little blue awareness ribbon. That is so cute. Ooh. It's all disassembled. Let's see. And then we're gonna put this together. That is so cute. I used my favorite colors for wrapping. Yes. I might have to text her and ask how to put this together. The moment we've all been waiting for. My new vest. I spent way too much money on this order. Hi, Spirit. Oh my gosh. That turned out so good. Okay, I have to film on CapCut because I'm out of storage, but like, this is so cute. Toss tray, no photos without consent. This turned out so good. Exactly what I wanted. I just told her what I wanted and she put it together. So it's a Cape convertible. And y'all, this is so cute. I love it. It only took me a minute to figure out how to put it together. The counterbalance is like perfect. And the front comes off and you can get like other pieces in different colors. Alright y'all, let's go put this stuff on her. Okay, so here it is. I'm obsessed. I did not adjust it right yet, but it's that good. I thought the pull strap would be too short, but it's literally perfect. I was freaking out. I was like, focus. Good. Sit. Good. Down. Good girl. And there we go. But there it is. There's her West Cape convertible that I'm too lazy to adjust. The biothane mobility harness. Focus. She hasn't worked all day. She's like, what the hellio is this, Mom? I really need to adjust this. Look at you. Stay. Go find the car. She's like, okay, Mother. I'll find the car. Wait, good girl. Good, find the car. Good girl. We just started learning this.